Hello everyone. I am Mr. Trong. Use the simplest ingredients. Make delicious food. That is the happiest thing for a chef. Today I will share with you fried tofu dish. The most common way. Fried tofu using this method. More meat than big fish. Still popular. Especially in the fall and winter like this. Take a bite and fill your mouth with juice. After eating, my whole body feels hot. Every week at my house. How many times do I have to eat it? Stay tuned for my next video. Let's see. Exactly how is it done? This is the amount of money I spent 20,000 at Bak Ho Shan. Buy fried tofu. Silver looks gold. It looks delicious. The old man said, all done by himself. I use soy from home. First we put the fried tofu on the cutting board. Change it first. On the opposite corner of the fried tofu. Cut it like this. Don't cut it off either. Just open your mouth like this. Cut all the tofu into pieces like this. Eat whole. It tastes good. After everything has been cut, place in a large bowl and set aside. Next, prepare some garlic. After flattening it with a knife, then chop the garlic. After cutting, place in a small bowl and set aside. Next, prepare a piece of fresh pork. First, cut it into long strips. Then cut into small pieces. Finally, cut into minced meat. After cutting, set aside in a bowl. Next, prepare some millet and cut into slices. After cutting, set aside in a bowl. Finally, prepare a handful of fresh garlic. Cut into small pieces. After cutting, in a bowl, next start the pot. Add appropriate amount of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the minced meat. Pour into pot. Minced meat. Stir fry until fragrant. Fry off excess fat inside. After frying until fragrant, add garlic and chili. Continue to stir fry evenly. Stir fry until fragrant. After frying, add a spoonful of light soy sauce. A spoonful of old soy sauce for color. Continue to stir fry evenly. Stir fry to release the aroma of the sauce. Then add an appropriate amount of water to the bowl. Add appropriate amount of salt. A spoonful of oyster sauce. Sprinkle yourself with 5-scented soap. After the water boils, then pour the tofu into the pot. Turn it over with a shovel. Add all the tofu to the soup. Now stir fry. Turn on high heat to extract juice. The so-called clean bean rolls and forgotten fish. Cook tofu until fragrant. Finally, add a drop of water starch. Drizzle the sauce over the top. Continue to stir fry evenly. Add water starch. Ability to season evenly. Tofu wrap. Add garlic sprouts before serving. Simple stir fry. Just fry the garlic sprouts until they are raw. Super delicious minced meat and fried tofu. It is ready to go. Next, prepare the pot. Pour tofu into pot. Here's how you make fried tofu. It really smells so good. Fall and winter. Light a little fire underneath and eat slowly. After eating, my whole body feels hot. The tofu absorbs the soup from the minced meat. It tastes delicious. Take a bite and fill your mouth with juice. And it smells especially good. Fried tofu this way. My whole family loves this dish. Per week. Eat at least once or twice. If you like too, just collect it and try it. You will not be disappointed. Okay, today's video will be shared here. If you like my videos, remember to like, track messages, and share the video. Click subscribe to my channel. You can watch more culinary videos. See you in the next dish. Thanks for your support.